Yeah, thanks Darren. Back for one of the main races of the day here. It's the Group 1 Oakley Plate, and the favourite is number 1, Just, catapulted at 5.10, number 11 at 5.80, the stablemate Undeniably, and Set for Fame is at 7.70, but they're pretty close on track, around about the $5 mark, 4.80 for the Catapulted, and around about the $5 mark for Undeniably. Now that's Cardinal Virtue going in. Here's Panoptique going forward. There's Verena Miss set. Here's Catapulted coming up. Catapulted's got the normal Kavanagh colours with the normal cap, and Undeniably has the red cap. There's Eagle Falls, 4th in this race last year, behind Star Spangled Banner. Going in is Faster Sun, the Queenslander. So there we go, Undeniably now favourite with the off-course punters. All set. Ready. They're racing. Hinchinbrook and Faster Sun missed it badly. Solar charged out brilliantly from the inside. Going forward too, there was Catapulted and Avenue showing good speed with Reward for Effort. Undeniably not far away either. Just behind them, First Command, then came 2 lengths away, Shell Scrape, Eagle Falls, Hinchinbrook, Faster Sun, Verena Miss. Responses back there, second last Cardinal Virtue. It's back there with General Truce, and Panoptique is last of all. Coming up towards the turn now into the straight, Solar Charged and Avenue are in front. Out by 2 lengths to Undeniably's had the run of the race, then First Command. Set for Fame coming on, and then further out, Reward for Effort. Catapulted struggling here on the end side. Solar Charged in front. These 2 fillies are going hammer and tong. It's Solar Charged, Avenue, Hinchinbrook. Eagle Falls rattling home with a great run. Eagle Falls on the outside. Verena Miss coming late. Eagle Falls in front. Eagle Falls wins the Oakley Plate. Eagle Falls first beats either Hinchinbrook, Avenue, and out wide Verena Miss.